Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start right away by checking device updates and having your device passcode and a trusted phone handy. This saves time. Open Settings and tap your name. When the Apple ID settings prompt appears, choose Continue or Verify. If you see a request for a password, do not guess. Use the Forgot Password flow or use account recovery via your trusted phone. Once done, make sure Find My iPhone is noted and that you can receive verification codes to proceed to the next phase. Now you work through recovery. Choose Forgot Password and select Use Trusted Phone or Start Account Recovery. This tells Apple to verify you without the password. You will receive a verification code on a trusted number or device. Enter it promptly. If prompted, provide the device passcode as an extra verification factor. Make sure to follow on-screen timing prompts. Delays can cancel the session. Once the code is accepted, you can create a new password and update authentication methods to avoid repeating this. Finish by choosing a strong, unique Apple ID password and sign in across your devices so settings sync. Once signed in, review security, update your trusted phone and recovery contact, and confirm two-factor authentication is active. Make sure iCloud and Find My are functioning. This restores full access. If the recovery process fails, start account recovery and watch for the expected wait time. It can take days. As a troubleshooting tip, keep proof of device purchase handy. Apple may
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.